Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Saskia Amanda, NPM 2241113 from class management 22A. Here I will explain the material about market capital. Capital market definition. Capital markets are activities related to public offerings and securities trading. Public companies relate to the securities they issue as well as institutions and professions relate to securities. The capital market is a means for companies and government to option long-term funds by selling shares or bonds. The capital market provides various alternatives for investors apart from other investment alternatives, such as saving in bank, buying gold, insurance, land and buildings, and so on. The capital market is a component of the financial market that allows firms, government, governments, and other entities to raise funds by selling shares, bonds, or the other financial instruments to investors. Capital market function. The capital market has several functions for a country economy, including as a means of business funding. Companies can raise funds by selling shares on the capital market. The public, other companies, institutions, or governments buy the shares as a means of equalizing income. Selling shares through the capital market can be considered as a means of equalizing income. After a certain period of time, the shares that have been purchased will provide dividends, part of the company's profits, to the buyer's owners, increasing production. With additional capital obtained from the capital market, the company's productivity will increase, providing liquidity. The capital market makes it easy for investors to buy and sell financial instruments traded on the capital market. Providing information. The capital market also provides information regarding the performance of companies listed on the stock exchange so that investors can consider their investment decisions. Type of capital markets. The capital market is a means for companies and governments to obtain long-term funds through the sale of shares or bonds. The capital market has an important role in the financial and economic ecosystem because it carries out two functions at once, namely the economic function and the financial function. The capital market also facilitates various facilities and infrastructure related to investment, buying and selling securities, and other activities carried out by various institutions in Indonesia. The following are the type of capital market based on transaction type. Primary market. The primary market is the market where securities are first issued and sold to investors. Secondary market. The secondary market is a market where securities or securities that have been issued are resold by investors. Third market. The third market is the market where securities or securities issued overseas are traded. Fourth market. The fourth market is a market where security or security are traded electronically. Apart from that, the capital market can also be divided based on the type of security or security. Stock security that represent ownership of a company. Bond security, which are debt securities issued by company or governments. Mutual funds security, which are a forum for collecting funds from the public to be invested in various capital market instruments. Money market instruments, securities that have a maturity of less than 1 year, such as time deposit and commercial papers, derivatives, security while value depends on the value of other securities, such as options and futures. Each type of capital market has different characteristics and function. The capital market can encourage the creation of efficient fund allocation because parties with excess funds can cause investment alternatives that can provide relatively large returns. Capital market criminals. Capital market operators are individuals, entities, or institutions involved in various capital market activities such as buying, selling, or managing securities, share, bond, derivatives, etc. Here are some of the major capital market players. Capital market intermediaries, bro- brokerage firms, security firms act as intermediaries between buyers and sellers of securities. They provide trading platform, market research, and other services. Investment banking help companies in managing for public offering, stock building, and various other financial activities. Individual investor, retail investor, individual who invest in capital markets using their private funds may hold shares, bonds, or other financial instruments as part of their investment portfolio. Emitter public companies, companies that issue shares and or bonds to option funds from the capital market. They can market their shares to potential shareholders through an IPO and are listed on the stock exchange. The investment process in the capital market. Investing in the stock market involves a continuous decision-making process with several stages. Here are the steps involved in the investment process. Determine investment objective. Investors should consider factors such as investment time horizon, target return, risk tolerance, and the amount of funds to be invested. They should also have knowledge of the stock market. Determine investment policy based on the investment objective. Investors should determine their investment policy, which includes asset allocation, diversification, and risk management. Select portfolio strategy and asset. Investor should select a portfolio strategy that is efficient and optimal based on their investment policy. They should also select assets that align with their investment objective and policy. Measure and evaluate portfolio performance. Investors should regularly monitor and evaluate their portfolio performance to ensure that it's meeting their investment objective. That's all the material I can convey. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.